I already completed kinematics in my coaching.
Good.
Fine. So you go through the recordings, huh? You
Okay.
should be also familiar with the terms we are doing in school, right?
Right, sir.
So why I opened the emails to show you something. Look,
What is it, sir?
we had practical class, and I gave you some homework. Only few students are giving regularly. What about others?
Sir, which one?
Last week, last week practical. Like today is Thursday. So last Thursday we had
Sir, I
practical.
don't know. Did I give you? I don't remember.
You gave. You and Ardita gave.
Okay.
Sir, can I see the one?
Yes, I'm sure. It is Lamisa's one, and this is Ardita's one. Look now, you can see right the emails.
Yes.
Lamisa, it was supposed to be submitted by 5th of September, Saturday. So Ardita submitted on 4th, and Lamisa submitted on 5th September. And other students you are not submitting. So
Sir, can you show us?
the one they send me, this one,
Yeah.
the strong one.
Oh,
You
sir,
did
I
last
sent it in Messenger.
Messenger, don't send in Messenger, send in email.
Sir, okay,
Okay,
sir.
we are directing you to send through email, not Messenger. Messenger is not formal platform. It's
Sir, I
informal.
previously sent you the straw one, so I just wrote the question answers.
Yes. I understand. Thank you. Thank you. And also I gave you reply, right? They who are sending me email, I am giving you the reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now we are starting today's
Thanks.
one. This one. Today we are going to another experiment on density of liquid. And today you will learn something more, inshallah, the new things from this
Inshallah.
experiment. So from you, how many present? 10 students present. Today Barshapad is not there, right? Ryan,
Yeah.
Maybe he
Yes, sir.
went to eat.
Maruf is there, Maruf, Azwad, yeah. So Ryan, you
Sir.
send me the attendance in the group, eh?
Okay, sir.
Today's attendance in the group, okay. Okay, now we are starting. Kaki, you read.
Okay, sir. A student is determining the density of a liquid. She pours the liquid into a measuring cylinder as shown in figure 1.1. A. 1. State the volume of the liquid in the measuring cylinder. B equals to centimeter cube. Number 2. Her friend also
No.
measures the
Wait,
same
wait,
volume.
wait. Wait, you finish A1. Uh, Maruf Rahman already came. I can see there is one Maruf in our. So he left. Yeah. Again Maruf came. Fine. Okay, now who is Abdul in your group? Who is Abdul? Anyone is Abdul?
No, there
Yes,
is
sir.
Abdullah, but there is no Abdul.
Yesterday I saw.
Sir, who is Abdul?
Huh?
What's wrong with your mic, man?
He's eating
Really
it.
hurts.
Who is Abdul?
Exactly.
Especially if
Abdul?
Huh?
But keep your mic at a
Abdul,
distance.
who is Abdul?
No, in group.
Oh,
In group, someone name is Abdul. Who is that Abdul? In messenger
Abdul?
group, yeah. In messenger group, I found one name
Abdul
Abdul.
Munaim.
Maybe I just got the name Abdul. Maybe Abdul
Sir,
Munay.
that is Abdullah.
Then that's
Abdul
Abdullah.
Munaim.
That's Abdullah.
Okay, that is Abdullah. Okay, so why not you are using your name, the real name? Many times you are using different
Sir, feeling
names.
shy.
Okay, fine. Now tell me the volume. What is the volume V of the
Sir,
liquid?
Maruf said not to use my real name.
Okay,
dude, is it a joke? It's a class, man.
okay. Now V. What is the volume?
64.
64. What about others? Do you agree with 64? Are you taking the notes?
Sir, can I
Yes, sir.
try?
Yeah, you can try also.
Sir, I think, sir, it will be, sir, 62.
You think it is 62. Okay. Then any other idea?
No, sir.
So, Adrita,
Sir,
which one is?
62. Sir, 62.
Yeah, Adrita,
62, sir.
what's your reading? Ayan.
62.
Sir, I'd say this is 64.
No, 62.
Yeah,
64.
There are only
Adrita.
5 markings in 10
Yes.
centimeter cube.
Yeah.
So
Sir,
each marking is
64.
2 centimeter
Sir,
cube. That's 64.
64.
Yes, 64.
64,
One
64.
equals to 2
2
centimeter.
So the answer is 64. Okay, you write on your paper.
Sir, 1 minute.
How it is 64? I am explaining. 60 and 70 in between we have 5 gaps. How many gaps?
5.
5. So if
5 gaps. 2 centimeter cube.
if 10 centimeter cube is for 5 gaps, then each of the gap is giving you 2 centimeter cube. So after 60
Right.
we have 2 gaps here, 2 lines. That's why it will be 64. Is it clear now? They who said 62, now you take extra notes. Each of the gap is showing us 2 centimeter cube. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is clear, then we will go to next part. Should we go to next part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ryan read.
Yes, sir.
You continue the next part.
All right.
Can you read
State the-
loudly?
Yes, sir. Reading. State the volume V of the liquid in the measuring cylinder. Okay.
Not this
So
A2. We are talking about
2,
A2.
2, 2.
One is done.
our friend also measured the same volume of liquid in the measuring cylinder, and she reads a larger volume than the correct value. Suggest how she makes this mistake, makes this error.
Parallax error.
The same thing we did here.
Hmm. So what is the answer? Parallax error.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes. Then any other idea?
Um, Search the
Sir,
list.
to measure the liquid, here the liquid is a little
Uh,
upwards. So
You
it looks
can.
like, yes, it looks a bit more. It looks like 68. But actually, we have to measure the bottom line.
Okay. So very good. I actually very much pleased on your answer, Lamisa, and also Taki's one, both. So can you write on your copy both? You have to write any one, but both are correct. Okay. So the first one, what Taki said, parallax error. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Parallax error. This is correct. And the next one, what Lamisa said,
Sir, she didn't measure the meniscus.
yeah, she uh,
Lower
takes
meniscus.
the reading. What Lamisa said, I am taking that one. She takes the reading from a little bit upwards, upwards, where she measures 68, right? Lamisa told 68 centimeter cube. Okay, you can write any one of them. Then what Anmol said another one that like
He didn't measure the meniscus.
she didn't measure quite
Lower
similar.
meniscus.
Yeah, she didn't measure the reading from lower meniscus. So you write all, huh? So that
Okay, sir.
all these are your notes you are learning and applying, right? So
Yes.
done. Huh? These 3 points, out of these 3 points, if you are writing only 1 point, you will get 1 mark. Your answer is complete. However, for our learning, we are keeping all the information together. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So can we go to next part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Anmol, you read B1.
B1. State
Yes.
another piece of apparatus that the student needs in order to determine the density of the liquid.
Okay. What is
Sir,
that?
can I try?
Sure.
Sir, she needs a top 10 balance to measure mass.
Very good. So everyone write it. Top and balance.
To measure mass.
Top and balance to measure mass. Okay, great. Now we are done with B1, right? Till B1 we are done, isn't it?
Yes.
So all of you wrote till B1 all the answers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Okay, finish. Then tell me you are done.
Sir, done.
Sir,
Thank
done.
you. Thank you
Are
so
done.
much. Thank you so much. Now we are going to next part. Adrita. Adrita,
Yes, sir.
read B2.
State another piece of apparatus that the student needs in order to
No,
determine the
this
density of
this
the
part
liquid.
is done. This part is done. B2.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Explain in
Top
detail how
balance.
she uses his apparatus to determine the density. Need help.
Yes, how she uses apparatus to determine the density. How?
Can I try?
Wait. Adrita, are you
Sir,
trying?
I need help
Okay,
because
I
I
you
got
need
disconnected and I couldn't hear anything
you
for the
need
past 10 minutes.
okay,
I've been
you need
struggling with
our
internet.
help. Fine. So anyone else you
Can I
have any
try?
idea?
Can I try? Can I try?
Yeah,
Sir,
you already answered. I want to see new face actually. Is there anyone who wants to participate? Afnan, Mithila, Maruf, can you try?
I
B2.
believe Afnan should try.
Hmm? Afnan,
जी
Azwar.
सर
Yes, Afnan, are you ready for answering? B2?
सर आई विल ट्राई
Yes, sure. Tell us. Tell us, please. How we can measure the density using the apparatus?
आई एम बिट कंफ्यूज्ड
Okay, you are confused. Then we can go for Maruf. Maruf,
yes, sir. Maruf or Aswat.
Azwat,
They are
and
very good students.
Mithila, you can try. Hello,
But they
Maruf.
feel shy.
They all are silent.
Sir,
Now,
shy, shy.
Anmol.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now you tell your
Yes,
idea.
sir.
Sir, I can try, sir.
Yes, sure.
No
Sir,
problem. I will help you.
she will try. Sorry, she will use the measuring cylinder to find the volume and the top 10 balance to find the mass. Then she will use the formula for density to find up the density.
Correct.
Okay, so your answer is correct, but partially. There should
Sir,
be
can
some.
I try? Can I try?
There, there should be some more things added about the mass.
Sir,
Yes,
first
yes, try.
we will take an object and place it on the top and balance to find the mass. Then we will fill a measuring cylinder with water and put the object in the measuring cylinder and take the volume.
Sir,
Then we will take out the object
take the reading
and take the reading
and then
and then measure, yes, and then measure the
measure the
another
liquid.
volume. Yes, the another volume, and we will minus volume
Take the
1
reading.
from volume 2. And when we got the measurements, we will use these measurements to find the density.
Yes, your explanation is very close, but you added another object. But here
It
we do
should
not
be
need
that was
here,
this.
here we do not need another object. We are going to measure the density. Hmm. Density of the liquid, not density of the object. Okay, density of the solid. So if you are going to find the density of liquid, we do not need any other objects to take from outside. So what to do then? How to measure the mass of the liquid? Hello? Volume already we measured, right?
Yes.
Sir, using top 10 balance or
Yes, of course we will use the top pen balance. That one we are saying to describe how you will
But
use
we have
top
to
pen
explain how.
balance to measure the mass of the liquid. We already have the volume, right?
So the liquid is in the beaker, right?
Liquid is now in measuring cylinder.
Okay. So, sir, we'll measure the weight of a empty measuring cylinder. We'll take that as reading one.
Oh,
Then we'll measure
mhm.
the weight of the measuring cylinder with the water in it. Then we will subtract reading one from reading two. Then we will get our answer.
Okay, very good. The Ryan's idea is very close. I can say it is 95%. Now you just reverse your description. You said first you will measure the mass of measuring cylinder. Rather, you do it later. Already we have liquid here, right? So you measure the mass of liquid and measuring cylinder together first. Okay,
Okay.
first you do that, then you make this measuring cylinder empty by pouring this liquid into the beaker. Then empty measuring cylinder you are getting mass 2, right?
Right.
Then m1 minus m2 is giving you the mass of liquid only.
Correct.
Is it clear?
Yes. It's
So
clear.
the
Yes.
steps we can write this way. First step, step 1, you can also write step 1, measure measure the mass of measuring cylinder along with liquid, along with.
How about with the water in it? It will be much
Okay,
easier to
we are
understand.
showing it. Measure the mass of measuring cylinder along with liquid.
Liquid.
Yes, liquid is correct. Liquid, record m1. Okay, m1. And step 2, measure the mass
uh, measuring
of
empty
empty
measuring cylinder.
empty
Measuring.
measuring cylinder. Empty measuring
Cylinder
cylinder.
record M2.
Okay. So measure the mass of empty measuring cylinder. How we will make it empty? You do not need to write details. Okay. Just I already told you. You will keep it somewhere, or you can just uh, throw it in the basin. No problem. Already you got the mass, right?
By
Reading
wastewater, we can
reading
drink
is
it.
already there. Okay, the volume already you recorded. So you do not need it anymore. So
Minus
record
M1
M2.
from
Record M2. Now what you will do? M2 minus M1. Sorry, M1 minus M2 is giving you the mass of,
So it's the step 3, right?
yes, liquid. Okay, is it clear how to get the mass of liquid?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you have the mass of liquid, you have the volume of liquid, you can measure the
The
density,
density.
right? Density
Yes, sir.
equals
MV, mass
equals
divided by volume.
M by V, right?
Mass divided by
sorry,
volume.
it is
As by
step 4,
volume.
right?
Sorry,
The density one, it's step 4, right?
You don't
density
need to write
what?
step 4.
Yeah, step 4. Yes, yes. You can write it step 4. Yes. Density equals mass by volume using this formula.
Sir,
Use.
I wrote step 3 as subtract M1 from M2 to get the mass of the liquid. Is
It's
it okay?
fine. It's fine. Use
Yes,
this
correct.
formula.
Correct.
It's
Correct.
okay.
It's
Wording is
same.
uh, not a big issue. The issue is
Example.
your real
Answer.
understanding or accurate understanding of physics,
Answering.
applying physics. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
So these 4 steps we can write where we can write this all there,
The
right?
worksheet.
Here.
And in the edges space.
B2. B2, right? We are done here. B2. So now we are going to do C, part C. Now, who will help me to read? Part C.
Sir. Maruf. Maruf.
Maruf is silent. Maruf, Afnan,
Abdullah. Sir Abdullah.
Abdullah is there. Abdullah, Abdullah is not talking. Then Mithila,
Here.
Oh bye.
yeah, Abdullah came.
Sir Abdullah turned on mic.
Abdullah came, right? So Abdullah,
Yes.
can you
Abdullah
read?
tell.
Can you read
That's
part C, Abdullah?
well,
Abdullah, Mithila is not responding today. She is totally silent.
I guess everyone is tired after a long day of class.
Okay,
Bye.
now Adrita,
why?
Yes, sir.
Adrita, you read.
Read, Baba.
Her friend also determines the density using her incorrect value for the volume. State how her density value compares to that of the student. It's obviously bigger.
Density will be
The density
Bigger.
is greater.
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 Okay,
Greater.
we check it out with
Same
the
thing.
formula. Okay, is it greater or it is smaller? So what about others? What do you think? You also think it is greater?
Sir, I
Sir,
didn't
her
understand the
Yes.
question.
sir, her volume was bigger, so the density should be smaller, not greater.
Yes.
Oh, yes, yes. Very
So
better,
Oh
Trita.
yes.
okay, so incorrect volume,
You're not an
her
angel.
friend, yeah, incorrect,
Actually, human makes mistake.
yeah, incorrect value for the volume, her friend told that is larger, right? Volume was larger. So already we got the formula here. Density equals mass per volume. Volume is inversely proportional to density. That means if volume is bigger, then density will be less, right? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you write this answer. Since volume is larger, the way Ryan told, since volume is larger,
Hello.
yes,
Hello.
since volume is larger, density is smaller. So everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Did you write it?
Yes, sir.
So any more
Yes, sir.
questions, any more confusion you have?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So you have now uh, 8 minutes for the class, right?
Yes.
By this 8 minutes,
Yes.
you all who are attending in my class, by this 8 minutes, you will send me the email. Okay? You will write on your copy. Then you
Sir,
will
done.
send me the answer in my email. Do you know my email?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or should I write here? I'm writing here also.
No, sir. No need.
If anyone does not know, I'm writing here again. Now you send me. scan it and send me now by this 8 minutes. I want everyone's email, everyone's submission I need. Okay? Okay, Allah Hafiz now. You send me here. I'm checking the emails.
Can I give it as a Word file?
When you want to give?
Can I give it as a Word file?
Word file, no problem. You can give me Word file because it's only writing, right? Or you can give me the
Yes.
scan one. So it's done, right?
I think Word file is better because if I take a picture, it might become hazy.
Yeah, scanning you can make it PDF.
With can
When you
scanner
are,
you can send.
yeah, document scanner app, it
My
will.
camera is not good and it does not let me attach without link.
Okay, no problem.
There's some problem with the app suddenly.
Okay, you can give me in Word, no problem. Give. Just write the question
Sir,
number.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Allah
Okay.
Hafiz.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz, sir.
I love this, sir.